BJP is now taking a drive at the Aam Aadmi Party, where Hemanta has taken a drive where he has now proposed making the Sheesh Mahal and turning it into a museum.
मेरा तो यही मानना है कि शीश महल को एक नेशनल म्यूजियम डिक्लेयर कर देना चाहिए और हमें भी मौका मिलना चाहिए एक बार देखने के लिए। तो शीश महल को रेप्लिकेट करके क्या हम असम का भी सीएम का बंगलो बना सकता हूं क्या? तो जो दिल्ली में मेरा इंटरेस्ट रह गया है, एक बाकी तो कुछ नहीं है देखने के लिए। अब तो मैं एक दो बार आपका मोहल्ला क्लिनिक में गया, देखने के लिए तो कुछ ही नहीं है। तो पहले मैं सोचा था मोहल्ला क्लिनिक बनाया, कोई ताजमहल का रेप्लिकेशन होगा, फिर जाके कुछ भी नहीं है। तो अभी मेरा लगता है कि दिल्ली में एक ही चीज देखने के लिए केजरीवाल जी ने बनाया है, शीश महल को, और एक बार वो देखने का मेरा मन में इच्छा है।
All right. Well, he seems to be also citing his interest in looking and viewing as far as the CM's bungalow of the national capital is concerned. When it comes to the attack and the counter that has been coming in from both sides, Pradeep, that we have seen on part of the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP has also made another counter. Pradeep, they're saying that there were two options of lavish bungalows that were given to the Chief Minister. Why wasn't one of them picked up by her? And why didn't she take the occupancy of the CM's official residence in the first place?
See, what actually the BJP is trying to convey is that there was something to be hidden from the public eye, and that's one of the reasons that they had taken initially the position of this bungalow. But they have said that why this was not allotted to the Atishi, the Chief Minister, reason was that this matter was being investigated by the ED as well as the CBI was looking into this matter. So in such a situation, that bungalow position can't be given to the Chief Minister. And the second thing is that we have seen that the politics over this issue is continuing. The issue that is being raised is that now the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to hit back at the BJP. They are saying we want to throw open the gates of this bungalow, but we also want the gates of the Prime Minister's residence at the 7 racecourse should also be thrown open. They are calling it, they are describing that as Raj Mahal. So it is becoming what the BJP is describing this as a Sheesh Mahal and opulent structure, because they say that it was the taxpayer money that was used for the luxury by the personal luxury by the former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. So they are saying that there are several questions to be asked to this man, because he was taking a higher moral ground so far as a Delhi Chief Minister was concerned.
The clash between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP seems to be the clash over Sheesh Mahal versus Raj Mahal, as far as the Aam Aadmi Party, which has planned to open the site to the public. The BJP, meanwhile, has its back, calling it as a publicity stunt. Thank you very much for the moment, Pradeep, for joining in. Let's, in the meantime, as we continue talking about Delhi elections, now here is the controversy, as it is already being cited as a triangular contest between the Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP and the Congress. The MIM or the AIMIM is also in the fray. Now, this time, as far as the poll schedule that has been announced by the Election Commission, the MIM has also announced its second candidate, this time for the Okhla seat. The party which has fielded Shifa Rahman, who is said to be the chairman of the Jamia Alumni Association, from its candidate as its candidate from Okhla. And earlier, this is another controversial figure that has now been contested on part of the MIM. Now, formally, as far as the Aam Aadmi Party leader and former councillor Tahir Hussain was given a ticket by the same party to contest from the Mustafabad seat. Now, this seems to be the latest controversy, as the AIMIM seems to be giving the defense that the individual who is said to be accused of riots is only an accused and not has been convicted.
हमारे दोनों प्रत्याशी का ऐलान हमारे बैरिस्टर सदुद्दीन साहब ने कर दिया है और दोनों मजबूती से चुनाव लड़ेंगे और इंशाल्लाह जीत के आएंगे। और जो उन पर इल्जाम है, कोई वो दोषी जो है सिद्ध नहीं हुए कोर्ट की तरफ से, अभी उनके ऊपर इल्जाम है। अगर वो चुनाव लड़ने का अधिकार हमारा देश का संविधान, देश का कानून देता है, और हमारी पार्टी हर एक उस व्यक्ति को जो है लेकर आना चाहती है पार्टी में जिनके साथ नाइंसाफी हुई है। और जब अपने केजरीवाल साहब को जो है बेल मिल सकती है और अदर्स पार्टी के लोगों को बेल मिल सकती है, तो इनको बेल क्यों नहीं दी गई? 5 साल से ये जेलों में क्यों है?
Well, the defense that is now coming in as far as the AIMIM is concerned, we've also spoken to Shoaib Jamai, who is the Delhi president of the AIMIM, regarding his party's choice for their candidates to contest the upcoming Delhi elections that will happen on the 5th of February. Now, he's defended the party's selection, calling Shifa Rahman as their hero.
Right now, we are joined by Dr. Shoaib Jamai. He's the Delhi State President of MIM. What is the reason that why you have to give ticket to right accused for the Okhla?
Why not? MIM will give ticket to those who were the hero of our CA and RC protest. If Congress can give ticket to the Lal Singh of the Kathua, then why not MIM can give the ticket to Tahir Hussain and Shafaur Rahman? Shafaur Rahman is our hero. The hero of the people of not only in Delhi but all over India.
But how come somebody who is accused of Delhi riots can be your hero?
Accused doesn't mean that he is convicted. Let the court decide. Let the people decide. In a democracy, in a vibrant democracy, what we see, the people will decide who is going to raise their voice in the assemblies of the Delhi.
Now, even as the AIMIM has announced its controversial candidates, the BJP has been quick to respond, stating that there seems to be a competition or a contest between the Congress and the AIMIM who can be the Bada Bhaijan of the rioters. This is how the BJP has responded.
चुनाव में कांग्रेस और एमआईएम के बीच में एक प्रतिस्पर्धा, एक कंपटीशन है कि कौन बड़ा भाईजान बन सकता है दंगाइयों का। तो इसीलिए कांग्रेस बोलती है मैं इशरत जहां को टिकट दूंगी, वही इशरत जहां जो मास्टरमाइंड है दिल्ली दंगों की। तो एमआईएम बोलती है कि नहीं, मैं कैसे पीछे रह जाऊं, ताहिर हुसैन, अंकित शर्मा के हत्यारे को, दिल्ली दंगों के मास्टरमाइंड को जो जेल में है उसको टिकट देती है। ये मोहब्बत की दुकान नहीं, ये नफरत के भाईजान है, नफरत का व्यापार करते हैं, दंगाइयों के संरक्षण में खड़े हो जाते हैं। और आज एक कंपटीशन है कि कौन बड़ी कैप पहन सकता है। कैप मतलब कंपेटिटिव अपीजमेंट पॉलिटिक्स, कौन ज्यादा कर सकता है।
So Okhla seat gets in competition as far as when it comes to it is already said to be a stronghold of the Aam Aadmi Party. From there, with that, we head into a short break. Lots more lined up on the other side as well.